Kia Sportage QL. Center fascia panel replacement. Center fascia lower panel. 1. To remove the gear knob and gear boots, A. Pull both it up. 2. Using a remover, remove the floor console upper cover, A. 3. Disconnect the connectors, A, from the floor console upper cover. 4. Using a remover, remove the crash pad side cover, RH, A. 5. Using a remover, remove the crash pad garnish, RH, A. 6. Separate the center fascia panel, A, after loosening the screw. 7. Disconnect the connectors, A, and then remove the heater unit, B. 8. Install in the reverse order of removal. Center fascia upper panel. 1. Remove the center fascia lower panel. 2. Remove the center fascia upper panel after loosening the screws. 3. Install in the reverse order of removal. Additional notes. Make sure the connector is connected properly. Replace any damaged clips. I hope this is helpful.